Good day, Sir Jim. This is our group activity about self and families. In relation to society and culture. Self. The self refers to how a person sees, understands, and defines themselves both as an individual and relation to others. Our sense of self is not formed in its isolation. It is shaped by instruction with family, friends, community, and larger social and cultural influences. For example, we behave as we hold, and even we express emotions are guided and cultural expectation and the norms within our family.
Culture is a system of belief, values, traditions, and practice of guide how people live. The self reflects culture in personal identity. Example, right in the ethnicity, religion, or language. Families are cultures. Barriers, there's precede traditions such as fiestas, cultures, respects elders, and bayanihan spirit in the Philippines, and ensure that these culture values are passed down to the next generation. Third, life, families and individual keeps cultures alive and evolving.
Consider the basic unit of society. It is the first social group where individuals learn values, tradition, language, and cultural practices. Families teach children what is right and wrong, how to behave in society, and how to respect cultural norms. They also pass down cultural identity through food, stories, celebration, religion, and shared practices. In short, families are the bridge between the self and the larger culture.
Connection to society. Society is the wider network of people who live together under shared rules and institutions. The self and families are shaped by society law, education, economy, and norms. For example, society that the value collectivism, like in many Asian cultures, encourage strong family bonds and community cooperation, while individualistic society, like Western culture, emphasize personal independence. At the same time, families also influence society by producing responsible citizens, leaders, and workers.
In summary, self, shaped by family, society, and culture. Families, the first and strongest influence on the self and main transmitter of culture. Society and culture provide a larger context of values, rules, and traditions that guide how the self and families act. They are all interconnected. Grows within families. Families exist within society, and society is guided by culture. Without this connection, identity, belonging, and
That's all, sir. Thank you.